What's up guys? So in today's video we're going to be fitting these push button bonnet pins into the RX-7. So let's not mess about, let's get straight to it. So the first thing you're going to do is find a suitable location to put your bonnet pin. Now the RX-7, pretty lucky, because in this hole here is usually where the bonnet stop is fitted, and luckily that's an ideal place to fit the pin. So that's where we're going to put it, and then we're going to go into drilling a hole in the bonnet. So once that pin's in, I'm going to put the cap on and then try and get it roughly the height where it's going to be at in the car, so that when we use the pin to mark up the hole in the bonnet, it's going to be in the right place. If you have this pin too high, where it touches the bonnet will be in a different place from where it would touch the bonnet if it's in the right place. Right, so all we're going to do now is put some copper grease on top of this. You can use anything really, so you can use toothpaste. Toothpaste is quite good, but I've not brought any with me, so we'll go with copper grease, and then we're just going to lower the bonnet onto it, and then that'll leave a mark where we need to drill through. Right, so you can just about see that mark on there. So we're going to drill that with a big hole saw, because eventually, because it's double skin bonnet, that hole is going to have to go big enough to get this locking ring on. Right, I went straight in with 64mm hole saw, which means this ring will now fit in that gap nice. So what I've got to do now is drill this hole in the top out to the size of this bunk, and then we'll fit it in and it will be as easy as that. So that's the hole drilled. I did it with a 38mm hole saw. The hole in these 40, so I'm just going to file around the edges to get the size I want, and then I'll just tidy up the edge of the alley with a little bit of paint, and we'll put it straight in. So that's it fitted. I've got to say, I've done plenty of aero catches, and it's definitely a lot easier than doing an aero catch. So let's see if it shoots. So there we have it, nice and flush. So all I've got to do now is do the same on the other side. That's what I'm going to do now, is start stopwatch, install this side, and show you just how quick you can install these bonnet catches. So that is it, 4 minutes 20, and that side is installed. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up, and I hope it gives you the confidence to do this mod to your own car, because it really is super easy. See you on the next one.